and welcome to Gierok Farms. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning up some of the barns here on the dairy farm. We got to clean up our calf barn, the barnyard lot here, maybe some of the heifer bull barn as well. Got to scrape up here in the dairy barn. It's going to be a busy day. Dad, he's in the skid steer right now. He's starting in on the barnyard here. I'm going to get these cows pushed out of here so we got plenty of room to work. It's going to be a busy day. Thank you all for watching. Let's get to work. The old man, he's got about half of the barnyard scraped up. We're gonna go get the manure spreader in here right away so he can load it on there, because I doubt we'll fit the gutter from the dairy barn on this load too with how much is in that bedding pack in the back corner. But the tricky part is we're gonna have to really get a run at it here. Since it's warming up, this ice is got a layer of water on top of it. So she's really slick. I don't know how it's gonna go getting up in here with the tractor. It's gonna probably look like one of them episodes of Ice Road Truckers, and not in a good way.
It's very icy, and this is the last colder day. It's supposed to get like 40s here real soon, so I kind of hate to put the chains on for one day, but you may have trouble getting in here. I always had to take a run at it when it starts warming up a little bit. Otherwise, it went fine. He made it, but now he's not in the right spot. So he'll get her. He wants me to load this.
This spread? Where do you want this spread?
We'll go on the bottom there.
Okay.
Try not to put it too thick. Just follow what I've been up to.
You heard him. All the manure today is going on the big flat, which is probably the best call today with how slimy it's getting out there. first load is spread out. I ended up stopping on that first stretch there and going further up and over. That OCD of mine's kicking it again, trying to square off this end and keep everything nice and even. So I imagine with all the loads that we have lined up for today, I should be able to square that up really nice. So we'll see. Got backed under the auger coming out of the dairy barn. We can get the gutter loaded onto the manure spreader. Okay, we got the dairy barn manure all loaded up. Dad's throwing on a couple scoops we couldn't quite fit last time from the barnyard. Then we're gonna go top off with a couple scoops from the maternity pen.
He's gonna haul that. Nice day today. It looks more like spring, but it's supposed to get cold tonight again, and then it's supposed to get warm again. We got to get this back to where we belong, and I think our Caffey jumped the wall here. I gotta go fetch him back up and get him back up here. I think we're gonna leave Mom outside for a couple hours. It's just so sunny and nice. But the next plan is clean out that side. I think we're gonna maybe take it all out. We'll have to see, but that bunch hasn't been outside since this ice stuff started probably a month ago. So I might be able to let them outside today. It doesn't seem like there's snow on top of the ice, which I think it makes it less slippery. We'll have to look at it. Her jacket fell off, and I'll probably have to put it back on tonight. The cow must have been licking her. She's wet. But when you got a calf like this, they always like to lay in a corner. So you want to bed your corners because that's where the calf. It's more about the calf than the cow to keep it drier. But yeah, this calf's a couple days old, but this might be the last one for about a month now. I don't have anything due now for a while that I know about. Could be a heifer maybe, but the cows I don't have anything according to my records, and they're not showing, so that's okay. Get a break. There's Mom. You go and sun yourself now. I'll let you in about an hour or so. It is kind of windy out here. really fighting with that gate, and that calf is helping him. And the chain is wedged into the anchor. It happens. So that's what went wrong today so far, so that's not bad.
All right, we got all the manure projects done for the afternoon. It's been a pretty productive day so far. We got some other projects, so stay tuned for that video. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Thanks for sticking to the end. Huge shout out to all of you that have subscribed. We hit 100,000 not too long ago, so thank you for that. And let's make it 200,000. Let's keep this thing going. So anyways, thank you all for the support, and we will see you all in the next one.